technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
The Adhikari of the BJP as well, listen in.
लेकिन ये लोग को सस्पेंड किया। उन्होंने सोचा था जो मैं एक अब बोलूंगा और पूरा बंगाल को भ्रम पैदा करूंगा, गुमराह करने का काम करूंगा। लेकिन बीजेपी का 7 एमएलए एक साथ आज राष्ट्रवादी सिपाही होने का नाते सब एलओपी का भूमिका ले लिया और ममता बनर्जी के खिलाफ अंदर बाहर बहुत आज जो मुद्दा उठाना चाहता ये था ममता सैराचारी, ममता चोर, ममता भ्रष्टाचारी। नड्डा जी ने सब समाचार लिया। हॉस्पिटल में 2 एडमिशन हुआ, शंकर घोष, बंकिम जी को हार्ट ऑपरेशन हुआ था, स्टेन है। हम लोग उनको देख रहा है, जो कार्रवाई जो करना चाहिए वो होगा।
Meanwhile, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has launched a scathing attack on the centre. She says the BJP government is dishonest and this government is going to collapse. The West Bengal Chief Minister also launched a Gaddi Chor jibe at the Prime Minister. Listen in.
এরা দুর্নীতিবাজ, এরা গদি চোর, এরা ভোট চোর, এরা গদি চোর, এরা ভোট চোর, এরা গদি চোর, এরা ভোট চোর, এরা গদি চোর, এরা ভোট চোর এবং সবচেয়ে বড় ডাকাতদের দল। এটা মানুষ আপনাদের বলবে আর নেই দরকার কেন্দ্রীয় বিজেপি সরকার, আর নেই দরকার মোদী সরকার, আর নেই দরকার গুন্ডাদের সরকার, আর নেই দরকার অমিত শাহ সরকার। চোর! আরে অপেক্ষা করুন, আর কিছুদিনের মধ্যেই যাবেন। তখন কোথায় যাবেন? কোথায় যাবেন?
You heard what West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee had to say inside the assembly, and on that as well we have a reaction coming in from Shubhendu Adhikari. Let's listen.
The marshal and the security personnel, all are gunda, TMC cadre. They brutally attacked and physically assaulted and injured Chief Whip Opposition Shankar Ghosh. Instruction by Speaker Biman Banerjee, instigated by Chief Mamata Banerjee, a great thief of Bengal. Yes. মোদি চোর, চাকরি চোর, গদি চোর। মুখ্যমন্ত্রী উপস্থিত বড় চোর গোটা ভারতবর্ষ জানে।
Let's go back to my colleague Ridhita, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Ridhita, you heard both the sides. We spoke to representative from the Trinamool Congress as well as the BJP and what the Chief Minister of West Bengal had to say. And can you just put things in perspective for our viewers once? How did it really start? Was it some peaceful discussion that was happening that was disrupted by BJP MLCs, or there's much more?
As you understand that this session has been called as a special session to address the issue of the migrant workers, but BJP from the first day was also very clear on the SSC tainted lists motion that they are going to bring it up in the house of this special session, because they said as most leaders connected with TMC and their relatives' names has been found in the tainted list of SSC, which is one of the most biggest scam of West Bengal at the moment on educational grounds. To question this, they were waiting for Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to address the session, and also earlier on the first day only they had spoken up with Biman Banerjee, the speaker. This issue was raised, and that day also we had seen Shubhendu Adhikari being suspended. Today as well, when the peaceful discussions in the house started off, Mamata Banerjee started to speak on the migrant worker issue, when earlier BJP MLAs just questioned that their answers have not been gotten from, and rather they have also not been given that enough time to address about the severe problem of the job scam, which is one of the most historical.
Ridhita, I'm just interrupting you there again. Request you to please stay on with us. We have Locket Chatterjee of the BJP also joining us in the broadcast. Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. 2 of your MLAs earlier had to be marshalled out of the assembly because of high drama that we witnessed. According to the Trinamool Congress, it was just drama that has been orchestrated by the BJP to disrupt the proceedings. Your reaction?
देखिए, बहुत शर्म का बात है। ममता बनर्जी बंगाल को लेके, बंगाली को लेके, बंगाली लैंग्वेज को लेके जो पूरा आवाज उठा रहे हैं, आज उन्होंने विधानसभा में क्या किया? कौन सा नौटंकी हुआ है? एसआईआर को लेके तृणमूल कांग्रेस सरकार, ममता बनर्जी इतना डर गए हैं, इसलिए कोई भी कुछ नहीं मान रहे हैं। विधानसभा में ऐसे ही 4-6 लोगों को, हमारा एमएलए लोगों को सस्पेंड कर दिया है। किस लिए सस्पेंड किया है? कि वहां पे पेपर उन्होंने वहां पे पेपर छोड़ा है। कैसे छोड़ा है? अगर हमारा पार्लियामेंट में भी हमारा होम मिनिस्टर के सामने तृणमूल सांसद ने सामने पेपर फाड़ के दिया है, तब कोई भी उसको सस्पेंड नहीं किया। तो पश्चिम बंगाल में क्या हुआ है? पश्चिम बंगाल में बीजेपी का आवाज दबाने का कोशिश चल रहा है, और 26,000 जो नौकरी जो बाहर में रास्ते के ऊपर खड़ा है, उसको लेके 2-3 दिन का सेशन वो बुलाने का उसका है नहीं। लेकिन बंगाली अस्मिता को लेके बोल रहे हैं कि बाहर में जो लेबर लोग है उसके ऊपर अटैक हो रहा है, बंगाली के ऊपर अटैक हो रहा है। एक्चुअली बांग्लादेशी लोग जो बाहर का रोहिंग्या का लोग है, उनको बचाने के लिए ये चिल्लाना, ये ड्रामा पूरा विधानसभा में चल रहा है।
जी, लॉकेट चैटर्जी जी, इसके अलावा ममता बनर्जी जो वेस्ट बंगाल की चीफ मिनिस्टर है, उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि बीजेपी जो है वो डिसऑनेस्ट है, गद्दी चोर है, वोट चोर है, एंड शी इज ऑल्सो सेड दैट नाउ द पीपल ऑफ दिस कंट्री विल टेल देम दैट दे डोंट नीड द बीजेपी। योर रिएक्शन?
इंडी गठबंधन में ममता बनर्जी है, कोई प्रधानमंत्री जी का माता जी को ऐसे तरीके से अपमान करेंगे? क्या सब लोग मान लेंगे? क्या ममता बनर्जी एक महिला है? ममता बनर्जी कोई एक भी सेंटेंस नहीं बोला है। आर्मी लोगों को ममता बनर्जी अपमान कर रहा है, और वो इसको बोल रहे हैं उन्होंने जितना 26,000 लोगों का नौकरी चोरी किया है, तो वो चोर नहीं है, वो तो नौकरी चोर है। अभी ये जो बीजेपी को बोल रहा है वो खुद है। पश्चिम बंगाल में कोई भी चाहते नहीं है कि ममता बनर्जी तृणमूल सरकार फिर से 26 में आए। ये लोग चाहते हैं कि इसको उखाड़ के फेंको और भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सरकार को ले।
एक आखिरी सवाल, अब आज जो हमने देखा असेंबली में, उसके बाद बीजेपी की क्या स्ट्रैटेजी रहने वाली? व्हाट नेक्स्ट फ्रॉम द बीजेपी साइड?
देखिए, ये लोग तो आवाज उठाएंगे, हम सब लोग आवाज उठाएंगे। जब तक ममता बनर्जी सरकार का ये जो करप्शन चल रहा है, पश्चिम बंगाल का जनता चाहते नहीं है। 2 करोड़ 34 लाख वोट हमको मिला है। जो हम लोग चाहते हैं कि पश्चिम बंगाल में जो भी करप्शन चल रहा है, जो 26,000 लोगों का जो अभी जो जॉब है वो भी चला गया है, हम लोग का आवाज चलेगा। और बंगाली अस्मिता को लेके जो ममता बनर्जी बोल रहे हैं, बंगाली भाषा को लेके हम लोगों को सिखाने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है। हमारा जो 11 करोड़ पश्चिम बंगाल वासी है, वो लोग जानते हैं कि बंगाली का अस्मिता क्या है।
All right, Ms. Lockett Chatterjee, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. So clearly, viewers, there was high drama that was witnessed inside the assembly earlier today. And you have heard both the sides here. Both clearly are blaming each other. The BJP is of the view that there is some kind of an undeclared emergency in the state of West Bengal. Nobody can dare speak against Trinamool government and especially against Mamata Banerjee, the chief minister there. Let me go back to my colleague Ridhita, who continues to be live with us at this point in time. Ridhita, I had to interrupt you earlier, but you heard, how both sides are targeting each other, are hurling charges at each other. But the question really is, what next? What happens from here on?
Absolutely. As you understand that today was the last day of this very special season, that both the parties had their very motions to be brought out here in the Vidhan Sabha. Firstly was the state ruling party TMC's problem on the migrant workers, on the atrocity being laid out on Bengali that they have been alleging over the months period now, and also with recent release of the SSC candidatureship, the tainted list which has come out, which has been a big open up to the job scam that has happened in Bengal. So that was one of the most emergency issue that BJP wanted to address, and there was no answer brought into that. Rather, it was submerged with no answers and the MLAs being pushed out of the house. Not only that, when issues of the migrant workers were also brought in, just because the MLAs were also shunned off, and they also portrayed that since their portions of not being answered or being heard, therefore that 169 motion of the migrant worker, that also did not reach to the fulfillment, as the Biman Banerjee has moved the motion. But as you understand from the special season that happened suddenly in the middle of the month, it did not come to any positive conclusion because both the sides are left with unconcluded answers.
Well, absolutely. You're saying that it was the last day of the special session there today, and the ruckus, in fact, that we have been seeing over the last 2 days specifically clearly means that it, didn't really serve the purpose it was supposed to. The reason why it was really called, isn't it?
Absolutely. The reason why this was called, both the motions of both the motives of both the parties were not solved. Firstly, several MLAs were hurt and assaulted, which did not serve the purpose of BJP also, which was one of the most important position, because earlier also you have seen this various teachers who are saying that their name does not fall into the tainted candidate list, but they have lost their job due to this extreme big scam that has happened in the history of Bengal. They have come several times to meet the leader of opposition because they have got no answer from the state. You can see that LOP, the leader of opposition, is currently
ছবি তুলবো সোমবার কোর্টে যাচ্ছি
So leader of opposition at the moment is leaving, and he's saying that he is going to meet the judge, Amrita Sinha, under whose bench his SSA candidate which was addressed, because there are also several of teachers who today lost their job has come out, and they had been also protesting outside the house to just seek for an answer that this session would have brought to them. But then as the scam also resulted in nothing, the special session also did not result in anything productive or positive for these teachers who had lost their jobs. Still no answer to them when this point of this motion is not being concluded with positive venture. On the other side, the migrant workers problem that the state was also to bring in light, that is also not concluded in a best of its motive, because half of the MLAs were not there, the opposing MLAs were not there to speak for it, and also the motion was also not moved. So you understand, in both the halves, the special session called leaves to be unconcluded with unsuccessful results.
Right, but the question really is,